Welcome back, ladies. I told you guys I would be right back with another Chebe video. This time we are going to do a quick DIY hair mask. My hair was fully wet. I do still have some Chebe left in there, but it's fine because we're going to go in with a shampoo. And I'm using a very gentle shampoo because every month I clarify my hair. So I'm not trying to strip my hair. I'm just trying to get my scalp nice and clean. And I'm using the Henna Silk Moisture Rich Bar, one of my favorite Ayurvedic shampoos ever, and of course favorite brands. So like I said, I'm just doing a light mini shampoo because every month at the end of the month I do clarify my hair. So I'm just going in on my scalp first, and then I'm going to break it down throughout my hair and rinse. These ingredients that I'm using, I wanted something basically simple and of course a strengthening hair mask. And you guys do not have to use the same ingredients that I use. You guys of course can tweak it to how you like it. You guys can even do something even more quicker and just use your favorite deep conditioner and of course apply the Chebe powder to it. But this of course is something that I love to do. I like to create things, so if you guys try it, let me know how your hair likes it. I kept my hair mask in overnight, and this is how it looks the next day. Now, I'm just going to go in with warm water to get this hair mask rinsed out. So with the ingredients that I did use, my hair is feeling good and I have a great shine. Considering that I did not use any oil, my hair is looking nice and soft and shiny. Routine, you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out on my YouTube channel. It's already been posted. I did not include the full clip in this because the video would have been way too long. Before I apply the Chebe, I always prep my hair prior. So I'm just using a little bit of hair lotion to my hair, and now I'm going to seal that in with my Ayurvedic DIY oil. And of course, the recipe is already on my YouTube channel. So I apply the mixture to my hair, and I'm going to allow my hair to dry. Then I go in and do my traditional Chebe routine, and I do this process all over again for the next week. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications because your girl next week is cooking up a DIY Chebe oil. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.